Hey gorgeous people, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a super exciting package to unbox. It's filled with science-backed goodies from the brand Innovist, and I honestly can't wait to see what's inside. Alright, let's get right into this. For those of you who might not know, Innovist is the amazing parent company behind two of my favorite brands, Chemist at Play and Bare Anatomy. Their whole philosophy is about creating effective, transparent, and science-first beauty products. No gimmicks, just ingredients that actually work for your skin and hair, which is something I absolutely love. Okay, and we're in. Ooh, look at that. Everything is packed so beautifully. Okay, first up from the boxes. The Chemist at Play Intensely Hydrating Face Moisturizer. Next up, we have, yes, the matching Chemist at Play Intensely Hydrating Gel Sunscreen. And the last product in here is from Bare Anatomy. This is the Rosemary and Rice Water Spray. Alright, let's dive deeper into this moisturizer. It's formulated with a powerhouse combination of essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid. The ceramides are there to repair and strengthen your skin's natural barrier, locking in moisture, while the hyaluronic acid gives you that plump, super hydrated look and feel. Now for the sunscreen, which is the perfect next step. It offers broad-spectrum SPF 50 and PA++++ protection, which is the gold standard. Because it's a hydrating gel formula, it's engineered to be perfect for people who hate thick, traditional sunscreens. It promises a zero white cast and a non-greasy finish. And finally, this gem from Bare Anatomy. This is a targeted scalp and hair treatment. Rosemary is in there to help invigorate the scalp and boost circulation, which is key for promoting healthy hair growth. Then you have rice water, which is famous for strengthening the hair shaft and adding shine. So here is our complete Innovist haul. We have an amazing hydration duo from Chemist at Play, the moisturizer to repair the skin barrier and the gel sunscreen to protect it. And then we have this incredible hair strengthening treatment from Bare Anatomy. Honestly, this feels like a perfect routine for anyone who wants healthy skin and healthy hair, all backed by science. If you want to check out any of these products, I will have all the official links in the description box below for you. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below which product you are most excited to see a review on. And don't forget to share. Thanks so much for watching.